Hi guys, and look at the snow mountain what my dad did and the neighbors did. My dad just called his friends to do this large mountain in this deep snow. And zoom in the tiny particles of snowflakes. You see that? If you zoom in here, you see your snowflakes. But we see a big mountain covering our tree, our site. And with this, there's some little dirty here on the snow. This is dirty snow. Look at this. Look at these dirties here. And look at here. There's some snow here, but those are actually snowflakes. Tiny pieces of snowflakes. We can see them actually. We can see them. But let's go zoom out. And bye.